The vital interplay of blood and liver health. Imagine the human body as a finely tuned orchestra, where each organ plays its unique role in harmony with others. Among these, the liver stands out as a maestro, orchestrating a range of critical functions that sustain life. One of its lesser-known yet vital roles is in regulating the health and quantity of red blood cells, RBCs, the carriers of life-giving oxygen to every corner of the body. This intricate relationship between liver function and RBC count is not just a biological curiosity, but a crucial indicator of overall health. Red blood cells, the oxygen carriers. Red blood cells are the most abundant cells in human blood, responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to tissues and organs and bringing back carbon dioxide for exhalation. Their significance in maintaining bodily functions cannot be overstated. A healthy RBC count is crucial for ensuring that every part of the body receives the oxygen it needs to function effectively. Any imbalance in RBC count, whether too high or too low, can lead to a range of health issues, from fatigue and weakness to more severe complications. The liver, a multifaceted organ. The liver, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of metabolic activity. It filters toxins, aids in digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and plays a key role in maintaining the balance of various elements in the blood, including red blood cells. The health of the liver directly impacts the production, lifespan, and quality of RBCs. Conditions affecting liver function, such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, or alcohol-induced damage, can lead to noticeable changes in RBC count and composition, sometimes even before other symptoms of liver disease become apparent. A crucial connection. This video delves into the fascinating and complex interplay between red blood cell count and liver function. Understanding this correlation is not only important for medical professionals in diagnosing and treating liver diseases, but also for individuals looking to maintain or improve their overall health. By the end of this exploration, the importance of regular health checkups and liver function tests in monitoring and safeguarding one's health becomes evident. Understanding red blood cells, RBCs. A journey through the lifeline of the body. The red blood cell odyssey. Picture a single drop of blood, a microscopic universe teeming with life's fundamental elements. Within this tiny drop, millions of red blood cells embark on a relentless, life-sustaining journey through the vast network of veins, arteries, and capillaries. These tiny yet mighty cells are the unsung heroes of our body, carrying the essence of life, oxygen, to every cell and corner of our being. But what makes these cells so vital, and how do they maintain their crucial role in our health? The life-saving function of RBCs. Red blood cells are the cornerstone of our circulatory system. Their primary function is to transport oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues and return carbon dioxide to the lungs for expulsion. Each RBC contains hemoglobin, a complex protein rich in iron which binds to oxygen and gives blood its characteristic red color. This process is essential for the survival of every cell in the body, providing the energy needed to perform vital functions. Production, where the magic begins. The life of an RBC starts in the bone marrow, the body's blood cell factory. Here, stem cells undergo a remarkable transformation, differentiating into various types of blood cells, including red blood cells. This process, known as erythropoiesis, is regulated by several factors, including the hormone erythropoietin, largely produced by the kidneys. The production rate of RBCs is a fine-tuned balancing act, responding to the body's oxygen needs, which can vary with altitude, physical activity, and health status. The lifespan of an RBC, a timed existence. Once released into the bloodstream, red blood cells lead a relatively short but dynamic existence. On average, an RBC lives for about 120 days. During this period, it travels the equivalent of thousands of miles through the circulatory system. As RBCs age, they lose their flexibility and become more fragile. The spleen, often dubbed the graveyard of RBCs, filters out these aged cells from the blood, breaking them down for recycling, showcasing the body's remarkable efficiency in resource management. The indicator of health and disease. The count and quality of red blood cells in our blood are key indicators of our health. A low RBC count, known as anemia, can lead to fatigue and weakness, while a high count, though less common, can cause complications like blood clots. The balance of red blood cells is, therefore, a critical aspect of maintaining overall health and vitality. Overview of liver function. The liver, the body's chemical processing plant. Imagine a factory that operates 24/7, processing and refining a myriad of substances, tirelessly ensuring that everything runs smoothly. This is not a scene from an industrial complex, but a day in the life of one of the most underrated yet vital organs in your body, the liver. This remarkable organ, weighing about 3 pounds, is a master of multitasking, playing a crucial role in keeping us healthy and alive. A multifunctional powerhouse. The liver, nestled beneath the rib cage, is the largest internal organ and gland in the human body. It performs over 500 essential tasks related to metabolism, immunity, digestion, and detoxification. It processes nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract before they enter the rest of the body and converts toxins into harmless substances or ensures their elimination. The detoxifying hero. One of the most critical roles of the liver is to detoxify the blood. It breaks down harmful substances, including alcohol, drugs, and metabolic waste, rendering them safe for excretion. This detoxification process is vital for preventing the accumulation of toxic substances in the body, which can lead to serious health issues. The metabolic maestro. The liver is also a central player in metabolism. It regulates the supply of glucose and lipids, fats, to meet the body's energy needs. The liver converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage, and can also produce glucose when the body's energy demands increase, such as during exercise or fasting. A key player in blood health. Interestingly, the liver is integral to maintaining healthy blood composition. It produces most of the proteins found in blood plasma, including albumin, which helps maintain blood volume and pressure, and clotting factors, which are essential for blood coagulation. The liver also plays a role in the breakdown and recycling of old or damaged red blood cells, further highlighting its importance in blood health. Fascinating liver facts. Regenerative ability. The liver has a remarkable capacity to regenerate. Up to 75% of the liver can be surgically removed and it will grow back to its full size. Blood supply. The liver receives about 1.5 liters of blood per minute, accounting for around 13% of the body's blood supply. Ancient recognition. The liver's importance has been recognized since ancient times. In Greek mythology, Prometheus's liver was eaten daily by an eagle and regenerated each night, symbolizing its vital role and regenerative power. Correlation between RBC count and liver function. The intriguing link between blood and liver health. In the intricate dance of the human body, where every organ plays a part, the liver and red blood cells, RBCs, perform a duet that is essential for life. This relationship, though not immediately apparent, is a fascinating example of the body's interconnectedness. The liver, often considered just a detoxifier, and red blood cells, known mostly for carrying oxygen, share a bond that is crucial for our well-being. Unraveling this connection sheds light on how our body maintains balance and what happens when this balance is disrupted. The direct correlation: liver function and RBC production. The liver is instrumental in the production and maintenance of healthy red blood cells. It produces several key components required for RBC formation, including proteins and enzymes. A healthy liver ensures a steady supply of these essential materials, fostering the production of healthy red blood cells in the bone marrow. However, when liver function is compromised, this production line can be disrupted, leading to various blood-related disorders. Liver diseases and their impact on RBC count. Liver diseases such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, or liver cancer can directly affect the red blood cell count. For instance, in cirrhosis, scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue, impeding the liver's ability to produce essential proteins and clear toxins. This can lead to conditions like anemia, where there is a decrease in RBC count. Hepatitis, an inflammation of the liver, can interfere with the liver's ability to regulate the production and destruction of red blood cells, potentially leading to an imbalance in RBC count. The indirect effects: how liver dysfunction influences RBC lifespan. The liver's role in filtering and detoxifying the blood also indirectly affects the lifespan of red blood cells. A healthy liver helps to remove aged or damaged RBCs from circulation, maintaining an optimal count. When the liver is diseased, it may struggle to perform this function efficiently, resulting in an accumulation of aged red blood cells, or in contrast, an overzealous destruction leading to anemia. Fascinating facts about liver and RBC interaction. Bilirubin processing. When RBCs break down, they produce a substance called bilirubin. The liver is responsible for processing and excreting bilirubin. Liver dysfunction can lead to a buildup of bilirubin, causing jaundice, a condition characterized by yellowing of the skin and eyes. The role of iron. The liver stores iron, a crucial component of hemoglobin in RBCs. Liver issues can disrupt iron metabolism, affecting RBC production and function. Hemochromatosis insight. In conditions like hemochromatosis, where there is excessive iron accumulation, the liver can become overloaded, leading to damage and impacting RBC health. Studying the correlation, unraveling the mysteries of blood and liver. Embarking on a detective's journey within the human body, scientists and medical professionals are piecing together the complex puzzle of how the liver and red blood cells interact. This exploration is akin to unraveling a biological mystery, where every clue sheds light on the intricate mechanisms that keep us alive. The study of the relationship between red blood cell count and liver function is not just a scientific endeavor, but a quest to understand the very essence of human health. Research methods. The tools of discovery. To understand this complex relationship, researchers employ a variety of methods. Blood tests. Simple yet powerful, blood tests can reveal a lot about liver function and RBC count. Liver function tests measure levels of liver enzymes, proteins, and bilirubin, while complete blood count, CBC tests, provide information on RBC count and characteristics. Imaging techniques. Advanced imaging techniques like ultrasound, CT scans, and MRI give a more detailed view of the liver's structure, helping to identify abnormalities that might affect its function and, consequently, RBC count. Biopsies. In certain cases, a liver biopsy, where a small tissue sample is examined under a microscope, can provide definitive information about liver health and its impact on blood cells. Challenges and limitations in research. Establishing a direct causal relationship between liver function and RBC count can be challenging due to complex interactions. The liver's functions are vast and interconnected with other organs, making it difficult to isolate its specific impact on RBCs. Individual variability. Factors like age, gender, genetics, and lifestyle can influence both liver function and RBC count, adding layers of complexity to research. Intriguing research facts. Historical perspective. The study of liver function and its impact on blood health dates back centuries, with early physicians recognizing the liver's role in blood production and purification. Technological advancements. Modern technology, such as genetic sequencing and molecular biology techniques, has opened new avenues for understanding how liver diseases at the molecular level affect red blood cell production and lifespan. Global impact. Research in this field has significant implications worldwide, as liver diseases are a major health concern globally, affecting millions of people and influencing their blood health. Clinical implications. When blood speaks, listening to the liver. In the realm of medicine, blood tests are akin to a crystal ball, offering a glimpse into the inner workings of the body. Among the tales they tell, the story of the liver's influence on red blood cells is particularly compelling. For clinicians, understanding this narrative is not just about numbers and data. It's about deciphering a complex, life-sustaining dialogue between two critical components of our body. This section explores how insights into the RBC count and liver function can guide diagnosis, treatment, and overall patient care. Diagnosing and monitoring liver diseases. Red blood cell count and liver function tests are crucial in the diagnosis and monitoring of liver diseases. An abnormal RBC count or liver enzyme levels can be the first clue in identifying liver problems. Anemia and liver disease. A low RBC count can indicate chronic liver diseases like cirrhosis, prompting further investigation. Elevated enzymes. High levels of certain liver enzymes in blood tests can signal liver inflammation or damage, often before symptoms appear. Treatment strategies. Tailoring patient care. Understanding the interplay between the liver and RBCs is vital in crafting effective treatment strategies. In cases where liver disease affects RBC count, treatments may focus on both managing the liver condition and correcting the blood cell imbalance. This dual approach can lead to better patient outcomes and improved quality of life. The role of lifestyle and diet. Lifestyle changes, particularly diet, play a significant role in managing liver health and, by extension, RBC count. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, can support liver function, while reducing alcohol and processed foods can prevent further liver damage. Fascinating clinical facts. Liver's role in drug metabolism. The liver metabolizes many medications. Its health can significantly influence how drugs are processed in the body, impacting their efficacy and the risk of side effects. Hematological markers. Certain changes in RBC characteristics, such as size and shape, can hint at specific liver conditions, aiding in more precise diagnosis. Global health implications. Liver diseases are among the top causes of death worldwide. Understanding their relationship with RBC count is crucial for developing global health strategies, especially in regions with high prevalence of hepatitis and other liver conditions. Case studies and real-world examples. The stories behind the science. While statistics and scientific data are crucial, real-world case studies bring to life the profound impact of the liver-RBC connection on individual health. These examples not only illustrate the theoretical aspects discussed, but also provide insight into the practical applications and consequences of this relationship in healthcare settings. Illustrative Case 1, Cirrhosis and Anemia. A patient, mid-50s, presented with fatigue and jaundice. Blood tests revealed anemia and elevated liver enzymes. Further investigations, including imaging and biopsy, confirmed cirrhosis. This case highlights how liver disease can lead to reduced RBC count, demonstrating the need for comprehensive management encompassing both liver health and blood cell regulation. Illustrative case 2, hepatitis and polycythemia. In a contrasting scenario, a young adult diagnosed with chronic hepatitis showed unusually high RBC count, a condition known as polycythemia. This rare complication was managed through medication and lifestyle modifications, emphasizing the diverse ways in which liver health can influence blood parameters. Summarizing the essence of health. This exploration into the correlation between red blood cell count and liver function reveals a tapestry of interconnections within the human body. From diagnosis to treatment, the relationship between these two critical aspects of health underscores the complexity and wonder of our biological systems. Future research promises to uncover even deeper insights, potentially leading to more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. As we continue to learn about this vital connection, the importance of regular health checkups and proactive healthcare becomes ever more evident, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life.